Welcome back to the online EVS class. Here I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Children, today we are going to revise our 7th chapter, Climates of India. Let's start. Lesson 7, Climates of India. First of all, let us discuss some important fill-in-the-blanks questions. First question, dash are the periods into which a year is divided based on weather patterns. What is the answer? Yes, seasons. Summer in India usually starts in dash. Yes, March. Days are longer and nights are shorter during dash. Yes, summer. The hot, dry winds blow during summer is called dash. Yes, Loo. Farmers in most parts of India depend on the dash for their year's supply of water. Yes, monsoon. The dash and dash receive very little rainfall. Yes, Thar Desert and Ran of Kutch. Days become shorter and nights are longer during dash. Yes, winter. Dash is the coldest month in most places. Yes, January. The next, name the following. First question, height of a place above sea level. Yes, altitude. 3 main seasons in India: summer, monsoon and winter. The amount of water vapor present in the air. Yes, humidity. So children, in next class we will revise question answers. So study well and we'll meet in the next class. Until then, take care and goodbye.